Hi, let's make some Barbicide. Got your jar. You should label how much you need for the Barbicide. So to accommodate this size jar, you're going to need 1.5 ounces of Barbicide to 24 ounces of water. If you have a larger jar, then you're going to need a larger amount. 2 ounces of Barbicide to 32 ounces of water. 2 to 32, that's the ratio. Depending on how much you need, how many things you're disinfecting at a time, choose the vessel of your choice. I'm going with the smaller one here. So first thing you want to do is put on some gloves to protect your hands so you don't get the disinfectant on your hands. Okay, now that we have our gloves on, let's make some Barbicide. And this is the ratio for Barbicide disinfectant. You'll want to pay attention to your manufacturer's instructions depending on what kind of brand it is. But for particularly Barbicide, 2 to 32 is the mixing ratio. So let's do it. You can choose to add water first or add the disinfectant first. It's up to you. So remember, we're looking for 1.5 ounces of Barbicide. There we go. So we'll carefully pour that into our container. And now we're going to put 24 ounces of water in the cup. This particular measuring cup holds 16 ounces. So we'll need to do 16 ounces and then add an additional amount to achieve 24 ounces. All right, 8 ounces will get us there. Yay, math. Okay, put the lid back onto your disinfectant container and put it underneath in a closed covered container, closed covered cabinet, so we can't have it out. Now we'll go ahead and put in our tools. I have already scrubbed mine with soap and water and pat it dry. And now we wait 10 minutes. We let them soak, completely submerged for 10 minutes, then we'll come back and we'll rinse these out. See you in 10 minutes.